Welcome, and thank you for clicking play on this critical video about who is liable for hitting a cow or livestock in a car accident. Get these details and more answered in the next 2.5 minutes. But first, I want to introduce myself. I'm Rhonda, the leading AI voice actor at Express Legal Funding, and you are watching our expert custom content channel. Please hit like and subscribe now to unlock instant access to our videos and to be one of the first to know when we drop a new one. Now that you know who I am, let's start with the video. So, who is responsible for paying for the damages when you hit a cow? Is it the driver or the cow owner? Well, it's not a one-size-fits-all answer. The rules for these situations can change depending on where you are when your motor vehicle crashes into the cow. Like many legal concepts, local and state laws make a difference for this case type. The main distinction that legally alters things is whether the road where you collided with the cow is in an area with closed range or open range laws. If you're in a closed range state, basically a place where cows aren't supposed to roam freely off ranch property, then it's more likely the cow's owner will be on the hook to pay for your car repairs and medical bills. After all, it's their job to keep their cattle off the road. Things will change if the site of the collision is in an area with open range laws. There, you, the driver, could be liable to pay the cow's owner for the loss caused to them by losing their cow in the accident. That's because livestock owners are not required to keep their cattle fenced in open range areas. Still, don't lose hope if the car wreck with the cow occurs in an open range territory. Your saving grace could be if you were driving on a federal highway, because the government requires cattle ranchers to keep their cows off these federal highways. To summarize, determining who is responsible for paying for the damage caused by a car hitting a cow will depend on whether it is an open range or closed range area. Oh wait, I nearly forgot to mention something else before you click away. If this video did not make you cry, that is a good thing, so please hit like and subscribe. It's a small thing you can do to make a big difference for our video creation team at Express Legal Funding. It's how you tell the algorithm running YouTube that the video is better than decent and worth recommending to viewers like you. Thanks again for watching, and be careful driving out there.